Hello, everybody. Welcome back. We're doing another audit today on Mr. Quinn Nolan. I've audited him before on his Google and how to make money on Google Maps and all that stuff. So let's get going to start on my audit here. The claim daily, the pricing is actually monthly. The two things can't be true. Okay, it's either going to be one thing or the other. He alludes to that altogether. Okay. And I'm going to show you why. When I tell you in the audit, you'll understand. So Quinn Nolan posted this today: 100 to 300 a day with Google for free. Yeah, we're going to debunk his whole thing here, and I'm going to tell you why. He got a D. It should be, an F, but again, because it's a viable idea, my system doesn't give it that grade. It should. So, okay, so he kills his own numbers. Okay, his own price for this service is $99 per month per client. $100 a day is $3,000 a month. Okay, that's 31 paying clients before his title's truth. The top in the 91. Yeah, he's telling you guys wrong thing again, and this is just another sales funnel for you to become the product. Okay, the that 31 paying clients before that's right. Okay, I already said that. So I'm just checking my notes because I can get rambled off sometimes. So, okay, the number of clients he shows 0, payments showing 0. So there's again, he's just basically getting you to use his affiliate links to where he makes his money. So basically, Quinn is just giving you another sales funnel, and you're the product, not the idea. Okay. So is Service Titan proof point checks out? Okay, yeah, I verified that. Service Titan did 961 million in revenue in the fiscal year ending in January 2026. That's one accurate number, and it proves the market exists. So it's there. You can make money doing this again, but you don't need his or any of his affiliate links to do it yourself. Do not do that. If you decide to go and you want to do this, you just basically look at his affiliate links and go sign up yourself. Don't give this guy credit. Don't give this guy any of your money, and don't join his school program or nothing like that. Just a waste of your money, and you're throwing it away. You're better off spending it on Claude, spending it on the actual service that what he's trying to do, and without him. You don't need his shit. Okay. So the problem is everything between. The market exists, yeah, we know that, and you'll make 300 a day for free. That's where it's full of crap. Okay. Title 100 to 300 per day. Here's where the math kills it. Okay. So he recommends starting price at 99 per client. Okay. That later he floats it to 297. Okay. $100 a day equals 3,000 a month. That 31 clients at $100 a month. Okay. If you charge, I rounded up the numbers. So 300 a day, that's 9,000 a month. You need 91 clients to get there. Okay. In 35 years of looking at people's numbers, when someone gives you a daily income figure for a monthly subscription business, that's not a rounding choice. That's the tell. He's basically just trying to funnel you in to sign up for his Go High level, which you don't need him to use. Okay. So here's the fun part. So the free cost, $497 a month. His link is a 30-day trial after high level starts at $97 a month, and set up his demos at the end. Setting your own price, marketing up the phone and email usage, purchase links, and auto create client account. That's a SaaS mod. That's the SaaS mode. It's basically building that. SaaS mode requires the 497 a month agency pro plan. That's plus 20 to 150 a month in usage fees for an AI client, AI calls and texts. Verified high level owning price. Yeah, you don't need to give him any money because he makes commission. And I'll tell you why he wants to funnel you. And if you guys sign up, that's you. You want to be that kind of a person that supports this type of crap, then go ahead. But you don't need his links. Okay. The only win in it when you win. Yeah, that's the one I was saying. I like that. I only win when you win. 100% false. Okay. His trial link is high level affiliate link. High level pays affiliates 40% recurring. So every month you keep high level, he makes money. You lose more money. Okay. That's $38 to $38.80 to $198 a month per sign up every month. You stay subscribed. He wins the day you enter your card. Client or no client, never disclose in the camera. Yeah, don't sign up for this guy. If you want to use it, just go high level by yourself, sign up. You don't need his damn affiliate link. You don't need his school. I keep telling you guys, wasting your money by these gurus claiming you can make $100 to $300 a day. It's just clickbait, and you guys suck right into it. Okay. The 2,000 to 9,000 website claim stated as fact, zero source. It exists to make 300 a month. Sounds like a steal. Yeah, you're right. The entire hard part is one sentence. This is the whole thing. Listen here. After sending enough messages, somebody will be willing to check out your site. I don't know about you, but if you've ever sent cold emails, I think the conversion rate is like 2%. It's just ridiculous. That's the whole customer acquisition plan. No message counts, no response rate, no close rate. The only part of the business that actually difficult gets 10 seconds because he doesn't want you guys to think it's not. He's the basically just, used car salesman. I mean, sorry if you're a used car salesman and you're listening to this, but this guy's a crook. He's just a crook. So here's where he gets you. I'm not here to sell you some courses. Remember that in the video because you're full of shit. And I'll listen, let you play a little bit because I forgot to do that. Hang on.
On Google Maps, but nobody is using it for what I'm about to show you.
Yeah,
In this video, I'm going to share the exact strategy that you can use to make up to $600 in only 3 hours.
Yeah, right. The only one that makes $600 in 3 hours is for everybody who signs up for his affiliate. Okay. So here's what it says. I'm not here to sell you some courses. That's okay. Right. Then 40% of recurring affiliate link, the school community, and clone on my build bonus. The only unlocks it if you sign up through his link. So what do you think? He's basically telling you, and again, you don't need his affiliates. You can tell Claude to do the same thing. You know, you go and find a website, you give it to Claude, you say basically clone this, and then you go and build it, you know, in Manus or use GoDaddy or whatever you want to do. You know, you build a website, then you start trying to market it to whoever you're trying to sell it to. But if you know, there's a thing about building a website and getting it ranked on Google. For one thing, if you do this and you're trying to sell this as like what is it, like leads and stuff like that, if you want to rank on Google business, you have to have a physical address, you have to have a video that shows you're in business, you need to show your equipment, you need to show all that, and otherwise you're not going to rank organically. You're just going to sit at the bottom. Okay. The free partner program is the product. You are the customer. You're the one that gets suckered into this thing. So, you know, it's just this business underneath is real. Local business with a broken website is a real problem. Service Titan built on $1 billion run rate proving it. Yep, we got that. But the real business and the video are two different things. The video promises daily income from a monthly subscription model, calls a $497 a month software stack free, and then it pays him 40% for you sign up. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. You know, he gets a D. You know, question. Here's a question for you guys. Is anybody actually cold message local business selling a website? Tell me the close rate. I want a real number. Now, let me just back it up with my own proof. I've built 4 websites targeting service businesses in my area. I've had them up and running for over 8 months. I've gotten out of the 4 calls. Okay. I'm not running paid ads. These are just organic. So you're trying to sell somebody a website at a cold call, good luck. I'd really like for you guys to mention that in the comment. If you tell me what it is, I'd be happy to hear it. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to making the next video. And again, do not sign up for Quinn or any of his products. It's just a scam.